Hello and welcome back to another exciting video of Snapseed editing. This video has got immense response on my Instagram poll when I asked people would you like to have a tutorial, and there were like so many responses. Yes, we want it. So we are just going to about to do that, and without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Okay, so now let's begin with the editing of the image. I have the flower in Snapseed, and let's begin with the first part. Now I will use the tools, tune image. The brightness is on a higher side. I will reduce it roughly around -35. We say OK. Now since we did the tune image and reduce the brightness, I will go to the tools, use vignette, setting the outer brightness to around -51 approximately, and the inner brightness to -42 approximately. This is what I tried earlier, or maybe -41, and we say OK. Now we use the vintage, and I will use the number 12. I'll say OK. Again I will go back to the tools. I will use another vintage to create another mood, and this looks pretty good. The flower has been highlighted using the curves in the center, slightly below. I will not take it too low, just a little bit here, and I've used the point in the center, slight below. We say OK. Going back to the vintage, I am using the style strength, and I'll pull it to around say +20. I would like to add a little bit of exposure to the center part of the flower, which is the yellow part. I will go to tools, I will use brush, go into the exposure, and around 0.3 in the positive side, I will simply paint a little bit on the yellow part of the flower just to highlight a little bit. Now going back to the tools again, I will use the brush option to add a little bit of saturation to the leaves in the background. Here we select the saturation, and +10 is way too much. I don't want that much, and just painting over the leaves in the background on the top here in the right hand corner. That's it. And a little bit probably on the stem, not much. Looks good now. Now adding a little bit of details around. We shouldn't be doing too much because then it will look unnatural. Maybe around -20 should be fine. I will go to the sharpening and slide it down to around +40, around, yeah, I think 42 looks good, and say OK. This is looking good. Now look at this. This is the before and this is the after. We have added a beautiful mood and highlighted the flower. Now for the people who add a bit of matte finish, you can go to curves, simply add a point in the center, one here, and then lift the point which is on the right on the left bottom a little above to give it a matte finish, and just about this is fine. You say OK, and this is how it looks, the before and after. Before and after. This is very simple to get this kind of effect. Simply go to export, and this will export the image to your gallery, and just that's about it. Thanks for watching. I hope you really learned something nice and something very unique from this video. We have turned the flower looking so beautiful and moody. Please leave your comments, like, share, subscribe to our channel. Take care, be safe. Until then, I'll see you in the next video soon.